Now see here, dear friends, this is a medium level of mechanical drawing. So this is a machine component. So this diagram looks like this, and there is a hatching also. So clearly observe this diagram and where to start this diagram so this diagram will be completed in an easiest and in a limited time. So see, I am going to start from here. See this point, I am going to start, and I have a radius of 36 and a radius of 65 are there. The dimensions are here, and now let us start with 36 radius circle. So I am selecting circle and I am giving 36 and press enter. And now there is a circle of 65 radius also. So I am selecting this and I am giving 65 radius and press enter. And I am drawing a reference lines. And now see here, so there is a radius of 16 here. So this circle is here. So this circle is 16 radius, and that radius circle at a distance of 45 degree angle. See, there is a 45 degree angle. So we need to draw out this 45 degree line first, and we need to make a circle at this intersection point. So how much angle to here? So to the vertical it is 270. 270 plus 45 will be 315 degree. So if we draw a line with 315 degree, then we will get the intersection point. So I am selecting line, and from here, and at the rate length I am giving as some 100 and less than 315 and press enter, so that this line is with 45 degree from this vertical. So now I got an intersection point here and I am drawing a circle. So at the intersection point with radius 16. See, and now it meets the opposite direction also. So I am selecting this circle and giving the command MI and press enter, giving the mirror line and press enter. And now draw another two circles by joining these two circles. So I am selecting circle again. So I am drawing a line on a circle, and I am drawing another circle. By joining these two. And now remove the unwanted parts. So I don't need this. See, I don't need this also. So that's circles, and there is a line here also I don't need. So I am removing each and everything, and I am making this as some center line. So selecting center and go to LTS command, give the high value using 10. So that's it. It is clearly visible for us. And now there is a line here with 100 mm distance to the top. Go to command line, give the command O and give the distance as 100 and press enter. Select this line, make offset to the top. So and there is an intersection point here, and in the intersection point there is a circle with 34 and 28 radius. This is the diameter and this is the radius. So I am selecting circle and I am giving the radius 28 and press enter, and there is a diameter 34. Press enter. And now there are lines here. So these are the tangent lines. So I am selecting line and I am pressing a shift and clicking right mouse button. There is an option tangent, and click here the tangent, and again hold the shift and right click of the mouse so that it will pick the tangent point. See, And in a similar way it is in the opposite side also we need tangent lines. Again selecting line, and you can also hold control and right mouse button so that these options will be activating, and select the tangent point, and again hold control and click right mouse button so the tangent points will be activating. See, I have drawn the tangent lines, and now there is a line, this vertical line at a distance of 54. So I need to make offset this vertical line to the 54. So I am giving the offset, I am giving the distance 54 and press offset. I am giving the distance 54 and press enter. Selecting this vertical line and making offset to the left hand side. And there is a distance here 90. We need to read from this way. So this horizontal line is at 90 distance. So again giving the command O and giving the distance 100, 100 not 80 and 90 and press enter. Select this line and make offset. So we got intersection point here, and there are two circles 16 diameter and 36 diameter. So we need to draw two circles. So these are dimensions, diameters. So we need to give the diameter only 16 and press enter. And now 36 diameter. Press enter. See. And now we need to make tangent line again from here to here. So shift and right mouse button, click tangent and picking the tangent point, clicking here and picking the tangent point here also. So we got a tangent line, and there is a fillet of radius 28 to this circle and this circle, and I am selecting this fillet option and selecting radius. The radius value is 28, so I am giving the 28 and press enter. So select this circle and select this circle. So it got a fillet. So now remove the unwanted parts. So make this as center line and go to LTS. LTS for line type scale and press enter. I am giving some huge value. And now see, so we need to remove some other things here, so I don't want this, and once check what we don't need. So see, everything we need. And if you need any center marks, go to annotate tab, select the center mark and select this circles so that it will activate the center points. And now we need this line in the opposite side also, so I am selecting and making mirror about this vertical line and press enter. So now give the dimensions. So go to home tab and select the linear dimensioning. So from here to the center point, so there is a distance 100, and see here there is a linear dimensioning. From here to here there is a distance 54, and there is a distance from the center to the center 90, and there is a linear dimension. You can also represent in any way. So depending on your drawings, you can represent any method. Selecting this radius and clicking here. So it is not visible, right? So giving the radius for this circle and giving the radius for this circle, and there is a radius here also. I am selecting, and there is a radius here, and there are diameters here. So I am selecting this. You can also represent in this way also by giving align dimensioning. See, like this we have given the dimensions, and any more is missing. So selecting angular dimensioning and selecting this vertical and this line. So this angle is 45 degrees. So like that we need to give each and every dimensioning. So and check whether we have drawn by using these exact dimensioning or not. So everything is perfect, and finally, so there is a radius here 28. So we need to give this value 28, and finally we need to make fillet. So there is no circle here also. We need to remove the circle. So TR, press enter, select the circles. So this is our drawing, and we need to make drawing, and we need to make hatch now. So I'm going into the hatch and picking the internal points of this to make hatch. See. And if you double click this, so the hatch pattern should be ANSI31, and if you make the value high, see, if you give the value more, then the hatching will appear like this. See. So finally we have completed this diagram with the dimensions and with the hatch. So like that these are appearing. See, it is somewhat merging here. So I am giving the dimension here, and this also I am moving some other. See. So like that you need to complete the diagrams in this way. And there is a hatch inside also, and see, inside also there is a hatch, right? So select the ANSI and give the value 30 and press enter, and click close text editor. Now see, this is our complete drawing, and you need to complete such type of drawings by using less number of commands in a less time. If you complete these drawings, so it will be helpful for you in interviews or in any design companies. And moreover, you need to practice more and more drawings. I am showing less and less drawings. So if you want, I will give the practice drawings also. So you need to practice more and more drawings so that you will get an idea on using effectively how the commands are.